Hey, Absolute Electrical Contractors team. My name is Danny Scott. I spoke with one of your team members a little while ago. He also mentioned that you were all working with, I'm guessing, a digital marketer before that didn't live up to their promises. So I'm sorry about that. Hopefully, I can change your mind. And if not, I hope that this video can at least leave you with some value that you can walk away with. Some tips and tricks that if you want to rank a lot higher online and grab a lot more business, you'll be able to do that by the end of this video. Again, I'm with Undrtow Digital. We are a Midwest marketing agency servicing electricians. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste mine. So by the end of this video, if you do find it valuable and would like to move forward, feel free to reach back. And if not, no harm, no foul. So the three things I'm going to touch on really fast are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Three things that help you rank a lot higher, a lot faster, and can generate you a lot more business online. So content is going to deal with your homepage right here. So as you can see, your homepage, pretty minimalistic. So the first thing is going to be the images, the content itself, and the images behind everything else. And so the images themselves, if this looks like a cathedral or something like that, depending on what this image is saved as, is going to do a lot in the ranking part of Google's eyes. Same with the content right here. The more the better. We usually, with my clients, we do around 1,500 words minimum. So we do one keyword per 150 words, give or take. So the more keywords, the better on the homepage. That way you can rank a lot higher, a lot faster. And you want it to be wordy so it's more fluid and it's not just jam-packed with keywords, because Google will see that as spam and it won't rank you as high for that. The algorithm is pretty smart. So the second thing we can go into is going to actually, here's like a little bonus right here. So Google ads have been pretty big back in the past, but it is 2022 going into 2023. A lot of people have ad blocks on their web browsers nowadays. And so it's a lot harder to get a lot more business from Google ads, because you might be missing a big part of the market because a lot of people have the ad blocks. And to get into the Google guaranteed right here, you have to make sure your business is verified in that way. So if you wanted to do that, that might be a better avenue to go down to run Google ads, but still you would still be missing out on a big part of the business. So just keep that in mind. So secondly, we're going to the citations. And so citations are going to be, as you can see here in the map pack area, the business's name, the business's address, and the business's phone number. That is one citation essentially. And where citations go that help these sites and these businesses rank higher is going to be in directories. And you're probably asking yourself, what is a directory? So a directory is going to be like Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, BBB, Angie's List, stuff like that. Places where businesses can promote themselves is a directory. So the more directories that your business name, phone number, and address are in, the more Google's going to recognize you as a dominant force in your industry, in your area, and that's going to rank you a whole lot higher. So that's going to rank you a lot higher in the organic listing area right here, and that's going to rank you a lot higher in the map pack area right here. So lastly, we're going to go over to, here we are. So this is going to be the backlinks area. So backlinks, let me get rid of that bad boy. Backlinks are going to be links that are linking to your site, to another site, or from another site to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. So since you're in the electrician space, if you're linked to like a McDonald's or a Toys R Us, it wouldn't have nearly as much impact, even though those are really, really big dominant forces online. Since it's in a whole different industry, it wouldn't have nearly as much weight as like a Home Depot or something like that. So this is your competition, as you can see. And I put Dayton, Ohio. I know you guys are kind of in the greater Dayton, Ohio, in between there and Cincinnati, but be more generalized because most people search more generalized things. So backlinks, as you can see, they have 100 referring domains, which is not too many referring domains, but they have 792 backlinks, which is giving them 169 organic traffic per month. And usually it kind of depends. Like sometimes you might have 1,000 backlinks and they might have more traffic or less traffic. But as I said, not all backlinks are created equal. So we can actually dive into them. And if you're wondering what this tool is, it's called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. Businesses use it for SEO. I pay around $400 per month for it for my team and myself. And we can do a lot of keyword research, backlink info, citation research through it. So feel free to get it if you would like to do that. Excuse me. And so as you can see, they're linked to like expertise.com, BBB, Yellow Pages, where else? A lot of their own websites that they have made that I'm guessing they've ranked by themselves. A lot of other directories, connect to local, things that would help them, I'm guessing, in their space of in this area actually rank a lot higher. And so let's go into yours, which is very interesting. You guys don't have any backlinks, any referring domains, no keywords, which it makes sense because your site itself didn't really have too much going on with it. So I would say if you wanted to rank it by yourself, possibly get Ahrefs, look up the keywords that are in your area, do some research when it comes to building some content to beef this up quite a bit, maybe change the image from the American flag to something that deals a little bit more with construction, plumbing, electrical work. Same with this as well. And quite a few other things, but just doing that, those three things of optimizing the content, optimizing the citations, and then optimizing your backlinks, you could easily outrank your competition. Obviously, it takes time, and that's what my team and I are here for, but I also hope that you were able to get some value from this video, and I'm sorry that that past working relationship with the other digital marketer didn't work out. I know the space can get a little weird nowadays, and people are they're not very trustworthy. So I hope that you found some value from this video. Again, my name is Danny Scott with Undrtow Digital.